Pumpkin is a widely cultivated economic crop around the world. It has become one of the main sources of food for people during years of famine. Pumpkins have strong cold resistance and are not strict in soil requirements. They primarily propagate through seeding. The seeds should be planted with the pointed end facing downward, covered with 2 to 3 centimeters of soil. After thorough watering, germination occurs within 1 to 2 weeks at temperatures between 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. When the plant has 3 to 5 true leaves, it can be transplanted. Pumpkin plants have long vines and grow quickly. Fertilizer should be applied during April, May, and June. The management of pumpkins is relatively extensive. In the early stages of flowering, male flowers predominate and are edible. Harvesting follows.